This video is sponsored by Cumberland Valley Cleaning. Be sure and visit them online at cvalleyclean.com. Hey Cumberland Valley, Craig here with CumberlandValleyTV.com. Welcome to this week's vlog. You know, two of my favorite things to do in Cumberland Valley include riding my motorcycle and hiking through the wooded areas that are abundant in this area. The Kings Gap Environmental Education Center offers the opportunity to pursue both of these passions. Kings Gap Road twists and turns through the beautifully wooded mountain, beginning on Pine Road and ending at the mansion on top. It is truly an enjoyable ride, but you do have to pay attention to your speed and anticipate the many curves in the road. On the way to the top of the mountain, you will notice several overlooks and trailheads. I made several trips so that we could show you footage from a couple of the trails, some of the great vistas, and a quick look at the mansion and gardens. There is certainly a lot more to see, and future videos on this park will be forthcoming. A great resource for planning your visit to Kings Gap or other parks in the area is the website visitcumberlandvalley.com. You can read about the resources and view maps, pictures, and videos of the area. You can also go to our website at cumberlandvalleytv.com and see other videos on things to do in the area as well. The first trail we explored was the Watershed Trail. The trail is a 1.9-mile loop and is rated more difficult. It surrounds the Kings Gap Hollow headwaters. The elevation change is moderate with less than a 12% slope maximum, 30% up to 300 feet. While the trail is not paved, it is groomed. Be sure and pay attention to the signs. The next area of Kings Gap that we decided to check out was the first scenic overlook. The view is fantastic, and I took the opportunity to break out my drone. The Forest Heritage Trail is nearby to the overlook. My stepdaughter and I decided to explore a mile or so of the trail. The trail has a difficulty rating of more difficult. The elevation and slope are the same as the Watershed Trail. The last trail we are going to talk about today is the Buck Ridge Trail. We only hiked the first couple of miles. The trail is rated most difficult and was the most difficult of the day. The elevation gain and loss is usually severe. Less than an 18% slope, maximum 30+% up to 500 feet. The trail is 6 miles long and goes all the way to Pine Grove Furnace. While this trail was more difficult, it was still my favorite of the day. We didn't want to leave the park without checking out the mansion on top. We didn't go inside, that will be a future video, but we did walk around the outside to discover a great view of Cumberland Valley. This vista is on the northeast side of the mansion. Also next to the mansion is a beautifully maintained garden. The garden is divided up into different sections, as you can see from this map. There were flowers in bloom and plenty of butterflies to film. That takes us to the end of this video. For more information on Kings Gap, be sure and check out visitcumberlandvalley.com. And be sure and check out our website at cumberlandvalleytv.com. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.